I'm starting off this DIY project by putting down the size of my window on the floor using tape. Now that I have that, the next thing I'll do is glue craft sticks within the measurements. Now in this project, it is super easy and interesting as well, but a little bit time consuming. All I'm going to be doing is just gluing on craft sticks with no particular pattern at all, just to make sure that I have it filled all over the space. As I was doing this, I made sure that I have craft sticks on the tape to make sure that when I make the frame, all the craft sticks on the tape will be perfectly seated on the frame. Because this is a lot of craft sticks being glued together from time to time, I will lift up what I already made to make sure that I don't have glue on the floor that has been attached to the craft sticks. It will be a lot harder to do this when I'm done with the entire project, so that's why I kept doing it from time to time to make sure that it's free of glue. It took me over an hour and a half to do this. As you can see, I had to sit down because it is a lot of gluing. And I didn't really mind because it was kind of interesting. And I was listening to music while I was doing this. And I have to say this again, you do not need a particular pattern when you're putting the sticks together, but just make sure that they're all attached together to one another. So I kept going on and on till I was done. The next step is to have a frame around the craft sticks. Because the craft sticks are not strong, I had to pre-drill holes first before then using screws on them to make sure they don't crack. And I also did this slowly. Apart from the screws, I also used wood glue to have the craft sticks attached to the wood. I picked few craft sticks to use screws on them to attach them to the frame. I know I made my frame like this after I had made the pattern with the craft sticks, but I will highly recommend that you make a frame first before then having the craft sticks mounted on top of the frame. I used a mending plate on all four sides to hold all the pieces of wood together for the frame. I also added corner braces for better stability. I took what I made out and spray painted it gold. Before I used this on the window, I decided to just use this on the wall as a wall decor, and this is what it looks like. This is a unique and abstract wall decor that's really pleasing to the eye. Now I'm going to go ahead now and add hinges to this and mount it on a window so you guys can see what it looks like. Here's the window that I will be covering. Now I just didn't want to put curtains here. I wanted to do something very different to cover up the window. I'll add frames around the window first before attaching the abstract art to it. With this, I still have access to open up the window. The fitting was perfect. Now, if you find out that yours is not staying still, you can add magnetic latches to them to make sure that the design always stays closed. Now, this is really pretty because from afar, you're going to think it's an artwork and not a window. And that's what I was going for because I didn't just want a regular curtain here. Now, here's another idea on how to use craft sticks for decorating. Starting with a mirror and craft sticks. Now, the craft sticks are going to be glued to form a triangle. Now, I'll be making a lot of these. And then the triangle is going to be glued together again to form a particular shape. I'm going to take 5 of these and glue them together to make a unique shape. This video was actually made 4 years ago, but I just wanted to show you guys again how you can use craft sticks to beautify the home. And I do appreciate my subscribers who have been with me for years now that have actually seen this video. And for those of you who joined years later, welcome aboard. And this is an interesting way to use craft sticks to make something beautiful like a wall decor to add to the beauty of your home. I made 10 pieces of this, and these are going to be glued around a board. First, I'll cover up the middle part with gems. Then I'm going to take it out and spray paint them gold. I cut a round board, spray painted it gold, glued on the mirror in the middle, and then went ahead to glue the pieces that I just made around the board. You can either leave this plain the way it is, or you can have more craft sticks glued around the mirror. I then glued a hook at the back for hanging. And here's what it looks like on the wall. I have done a lot of projects with craft sticks, and this is just one of them. But then it's nice to know that with just simple items as craft sticks, you can make a whole lot more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button